The full face is a great set to pick up for anybody who's really looking to replace their entire makeup bag. With about 3 brushes, a setting spray, a brush cleaner, and like a medium-sized compact, you can essentially replace everything you currently have in your makeup drawer or makeup bag. Have it right in the palm of your hand. So when I do my full face of makeup, I actually like to start with my eye makeup. And I'm going to start first with a cream eyeshadow, which I just applied with my fingertip. Then I'm going to go over that with this more medium brown shade as sort of like a base coat. We like to call this a transition shade. This means it's just going to be a nice shade to help us blend our overall eyeshadow look. I'm using this eyeshadow brush, which is double-ended, and so I'm using the small end of the brush to apply the darker brown shade into my crease and beneath my eye. And then I flip it around to just help sort of feather and blend that nice, natural, everyday eyeshadow look up and out to give my eye some nice dimension and really help my eyes pop. I like to finish an eye look with a shimmer. And I usually like to just apply that with my fingertip. And I just sort of pop a little bit of that fun sort of neutral shimmer color on my eyelid. Wipe away any eyeshadow that may have fallen. And now it's time to do your 3D foundation. I love this brush for applying my 3D foundation. It's called the Detail brush. It has one sort of larger, more square end, and then one sort of pointy end, which is just really great for everything from spot treating, blemishes, and discoloration to contouring the nose, which you'll see in just a moment. So I started that by applying first my brightening shade beneath my eyes, my all-over main shade on the lower part of my face, and now, of course, we're coming in with our contour beneath our cheekbones, on the top of our forehead, and down the sides of our nose. And once we apply those, just like coloring by numbers, it's time to blend. My favorite blending brush really is this one here. It's called the Blush and Bronzer brush. Just start in the yellow areas and blend upward and out as you blend those highlights and contour together on your face to create a really, really beautiful, 3-dimensional, warm, glowing look. You're going to get some nice coverage from that 3D foundation, and the brightening and the features are going to pop all in a single layer of makeup. Finishing with a little bit of my lip and cheek there. And I'm adding some bronzer as well. And when you buy this bronzer with this brush that I'm using in the bronzer collection, you'll save $10, which is always really nice. I'm adding a pop of illuminator on the top of my cheekbones and on my nose. This is a color called Pearl, but your custom color will be included in your list. And illuminator just helps your whole look to pop and glow. I finished my lips with that same lip and cheek color, and I'm actually using that little eyeshadow brush to apply a bit of contour along the edge of my lips, right over top of it. Almost looks like a really natural looking lip liner. So with a few brushes, everything in my one compact, I'm ready to setting spray my whole look, and I like to just spray it on my brush and pat it in. Don't forget the brush cleaner. I highly recommend keeping your brushes clean and sanitized. It's great for your skin, and it'll help extend the life of your brushes, especially your foundation brushes. It dries instantly. Sanitize the brush. You can use it literally right away. And I highly recommend picking up a bottle. Few brushes, brush cleaner, setting spray, and you're good.